So, our first show was a few days ago, and Morty said there might have been a few people there from Junk Magazine. So, we're just perusing the web to see if we can find any reviews. Did you guys find anything yet?
Nothing yet. I'm looking. Stop breathing on my neck.
Sorry, I don't do very well with backlit screens.
I don't know, guys. I don't think we're gonna find anything.
Hey guys. So what are you guys doing?
Maybe try that one.
Try Larry and the Birds, comma, music reviews, comma, generally supportive.
I'm scared of pitchforks, so we have to find a different pitchfork. No,
This is best album. Oh, that's Adele.
that's not us.
Little
Attractive guitarist.
more attractive drummer, more attractive replace drummer.
You,
Don't
Kevin.
replace drummer.
One for
Yes,
Larry.
one for Larry and the Birds, please.
We are using Wi-Fi. We should use Ethernet.
Yes, yes.
You-
Do all our names, and then
Okay.
Guys, I just talked to the people at the Ardmore charity show. And they like you. They don't love you. But I'm gonna send over
wait.
a Betamax
Oh, no,
and show them
it's
what
gone.
you got.
I may be afraid of snakes, but I'm not afraid of loving you. Oh, 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 oh. Your feet stink, your snakes bite, but here I am in love with you. I hate your feet and I hate your snakes, but I'm gonna love you. Hey, Morty, what'd you think?
Sounds good, guys. Sounds really goddamn good. Kind of like the Cranberries meets Gavin DeGraw.
Ask him about the hackers.
Oh, right. Hey, Morty, any luck with the computer?
I've got some good news and I got some bad news. The bad news is my nephew Lucas still won't let me back on his laptop. But the good news is Larry Boyd is a close personal friend of mine. He owes me a favor, so don't you worry. All right, can you play the new one again? One more time for Papa.
I may be afraid of feet, but I'm not afraid of.
What is he doing here?
Hey, Morty, what is old Kevin doing in the studio?
Oh, God. Well, it's not really my studio.
It's not his studio?
No, well, I mean it is. It did belong to my father. Legendary producer, Gerald Havemeyer. He left it to both me and my sister when he died.
You have a sister?
Yes. She's also in the biz, scouting for hot talent. But not as hot as you, pierogies.
So you're saying.
Wait a second. I think I see Mr. Bird. Hey, Larry! Larry! Wait, you're not Larry. What are you doing? No, I won't give you my wallet. Put that down. Oh, you want to fight?
Jeez.
You think you're tough or something? Nah, you come on. Oh, God, that one was real. Oh, my God. Guys, this isn't looking good.
Do you need help?
I don't think it had here. Play Ardmore.
I'm just gonna hang
What
up. I'm
are
gonna
you
hang up.
doing? Oh,
no.
So do it. Just do it.
Holy
no.
Ah!
Oh, here we go. I put it on speaker accidentally.
I think it'll be fine.
That was weird.
Afraid of snakes.